Out of 7, round down.
Are y'all keeping tally? Because I'm not keeping tally. What was it? 6.7, 6.8, and now 7.4.
Yeah, so it's slightly better than the last one.
Okay, we all went to school. You round up and you round down. It's both a 7.
I'm judging on.
Dang, can I get a 10?
Oh, shoot. I gotta take my glasses off. My bad, so I can't see them.
You don't have to.
I'm ugly, but no. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have Jamal the Creative.
Hello.
Here to rate / pick my Halloween costume. He just took off his glasses, so I don't know how he even gonna see nothing, so.
I can see close. That's your thigh. That's your armpit.
So I have a few costumes for you guys. I don't really do like Halloween parties or anything like that, at least not this year. I didn't, but I do pass out candy to the kids in my neighborhood and I dress up. So
the question is, why do you have all of these costumes?
because I like costumes, and you know, the girl likes to role play.
Okay.
You know, whatever.
All right, okay.
Get my business. So, are you ready? I'm gonna try them on.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Are you ready?
She gonna be looking all weird and stuff, y'all.
I'm not gonna look weird.
I already know she gonna look weird when I see her. I ain't even gonna turn my head until she's standing next to me. What are you? You're like a what are you?
I'm a dungeon temptress.
A who?
A dungeon temptress. Fool.
You look like
not dominatrix. Don't even try to. Not a dominatrix.
What, you look like a video game character.
Well, that's what it is. It's some dungeon stuff. What do you mean?
Are you gonna like cast
a
a spell?
It's like a sexy sorcerer.
Why do girls always want to be sexy for Halloween?
Because we can.
Oh my
God. This is the one holiday where we can wear some slutty stuff and no one can tell us nothing.
This is not slutty. This is very preservative.
I know.
Preservative, and it shows your curves and stuff.
So
I gotta rate it, right?
1 through 10. What do you rate?
10 being the worst.
No, fool. 10 being the best.
I would give it now. Like we judged. Okay. So it's kind of soft. I ain't gonna lie. It's kind of soft.
Velvet.
I would give it a.
This is my most scariest one. I'll tell you that now. My like scariest, sexiest one.
I would give it like a 6.7.
A 6?
Yeah, 6.7.
Yeah.
Now,
it'll be all difficult with these points.
It shows.
We're gonna round up to a 7.
Okay, we're gonna give her a 6.8. I'll give her that.
We're gonna round up to a 7.
So it looks good because it shows the curves and stuff like that. You got the nice little curvature. You know, you're looking good. But I was actually hoping that you would come out here a little bit more scandalous. You know what I mean?
Well, I haven't got there yet.
Okay, my bad. I apologize. Okay, all right, I'm sorry. It's sunshine in the air, 'cause I get the best of you, and you get the best of love. Hey.
What are you saying?
Ah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, okay. I like this one. Property of county prison. So you're a prisoner?
Prisoner.
Oh my gosh. You do look good though.
Sexy prisoner?
Yeah, that looks good. You look okay. All right. Look the cuffs.
Yes, my cuffs.
So wait.
See, I broke out because you know how they be chain right here, you know what I'm saying? But I broke out.
I feel like you really never got these outfits for Halloween.
First of all, get out of my life. Don't act like you know my life. Okay?
I just feel like you don't really Halloween shop.
I do.
Okay, what time of year did you buy this?
In October.
Okay, all right. Well, it looks nice. I like it. I don't know what we're gonna rate it though.
Prisoner.
Orange looks good on you.
Thank you. That's that melanin, y'all. That's that melanin. Thank you.
Okay, you see, I can't. This is why you can't give a woman compliments, because they just be soaking it up.
Whatever.
All right, so I would give it a better.
I escaped.
I would give this a 7.4.
Here we go with the points.
Yeah.
So that's rounding down to a 7. So the first one was a 7. This one is a 7.
It's not a 7 round down.
Are y'all keeping tally? Because I'm not keeping tally. It was a 6.7, 6.8, and now 7.4.
Yeah, so it's slightly better than the last one.
Okay, we all went to school. You round up and you round down. It's both a 7.
I'm judging on.
Dang, can I get a 10?
I'm judging on sexiness. So it's slightly more.
Sexy?
It's slightly more sexy than the last one.
This is sexy. This is like nasty sexy. Like I belong in was like when Money Talks, remember? Like with Chris Tucker when he was chained to that dude, they broke him out. You be chained to me. How you can be chained to me? Yeah?
I think it looks good.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna go with a 7.4.
I'm never gonna get a 10.
No,
like,
guys, listen.
I'm never gonna get a 10.
And I'm only judging off the sexiness of the outfit. That's what I'm judging off of. People don't understand. She out here, she thinks she just gonna get a 10, but she didn't realize she brought the hardest judge.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I feel like I should be blindfolded and I should just be feeling. Oh, okay.
Queen bee.
I like it. I like it a lot.
So this is like cute sexy.
I don't know.
Wanna taste my honey?
See, okay. All right. See, she playing because she know I want to taste the honey.
You wanna taste my honey?
But she got me on camera so I can be exposed. You see? No, I like it. I don't know if I like it as much as the last outfit though.
Well, there's a few more.
Nah, this outfit.
Listen, a girl's just out here trying to get a 10, okay?
You look good. I don't know. You gotta do a spin around though.
I don't want to slap you with my wings. I don't want to slap you with my wings.
No, I like it a lot.
And see, this one's like short but not too short, so I have to turn around in it.
Mm-hmm.
See, cute, sexy Bumblebee.
What's that? What's the name?
Diamond has a Bumblebee costume to match.
Are you serious?
I swear to God.
Okay, she gonna lose points on this one, y'all.
What?
Because she got the matching dog outfit, okay?
Diamond has a Bumblebee costume to match.
I'm still waiting for the premiere #1 outfit. So I'm going to have to rate this outfit a 6.5.
What?
We're going down. We're going backwards. I don't know. Because the other one, the first one showed the curves.
Jamal?
The first one showed the curves, right? So you saw the body. You was like, ooh, I'm curious to see what that body working with, right? And then she brought out the second one, which was showing most skin, and it was still showing the body. And she was a prisoner. It was kind of themed, like I could see myself playing like the officer, right? Or the corrections, whatever the guy's name is, who be looking over the prisoners. And then like that's a good role play outfit. Then she came out here looking cute, like she was about to go on a picnic. I didn't like that. Like she was taking me. I was going left, and then she went right.
I don't gotta go on a damn picnic.
I was going left, and then we're going like yeah. She got the honey, I understand, but it was the same amount of skin exposure, but it didn't do nothing. Like there was no curvature shown or nothing. She had the little flotation devices around her hips.
Shady.
I'm just letting y'all know.
So first I'm gonna throw you a piece of my outfit.
If I get underwear that hit me.
So you could a piece of it.
If she. What in the world? Are you the Little Mermaid?
No.
This looks like Ariel Mermaid.
No.
Oh my gosh. What's her name? What's her name?
Jessica Rabbit.
Ow! Roger Rabbit.
Excuse me, Jessica Rabbit.
Okay.
Miss J Rabbit.
All right.
Hello.
She said Jessica Rabbit. I call her Roger Rabbit. That's where the outfit is inspired by, right?
But I can't put it on now. But this is my red hair to go with it.
Why can't you put it on? Oh, you gotta put your hair down.
Hello.
You gotta braid it down.
Yes.
Go ahead and braid it down real quick. We got time. I'll watch the game while you go ahead and do that.
But yeah, so this is my red hair to go because she had flaming red hair. So
here's my thing, y'all. So I'm going to rate this early, and I'm going to explain why I'm rating it early.
What?
I'm going to give her an 8.4.
Oh, we get close to a 10. Okay.
Here's the reason why. So y'all might be thinking, it's a whole dress. whatever, whatnot. You know what got her the 8.4? She stepped it up on the sexiness, all right? Look at the slit right there. She's showing a little tease. Then she got the gloves. It's all legs, okay? She got the all, okay, hold on now, okay. You're doing a little too much, because you know what will happen if you do a little too much.
I'm just saying.
I'm going to have to turn these cameras off is all I got to say.
Don't listen to Jamal, y'all. Yeah.
No, I like it. It looks good.
Miss J Rabbit.
Yeah, it does look good. So where we going for Halloween?
I still didn't get a 10.
You didn't get no 10 because you ain't got a 10 worthy outfit. Go in the room and put on something. Yeah, go put. See, this is what I gotta deal with, y'all.
Alright. I can't find my tambourines, but are you ready?
I am. Is that a. Yeah, I'm ready. Hey, y'all. She's gonna come out with a new outfit. Oh, my Lord. Okay.
So first of all, do you know what this is?
You work at Hattie B's? I'm just joking. Y'all think I'm funny. You are the Jasmine from Aladdin, right?
First of all, she had on teal. This is pink. But if you want to say Arabian princess, yes.
You look good.
It's an Arabian princess. I have my little tambourines, but I can't find them. I have little.
But wouldn't you be a what's her name still?
It's like an Arabian princess, like a gypsy.
But she roll with tambourines?
No, it's for like when you're like belly dancing.
Oh.
You can do your tambourine for your belly dancing.
Oh, okay.
See how?
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, okay. All right. Well, I think it looks nice. Now we have regressed a little bit on the skin showing, but I won't so much as deduct it from you. It looks good though. Like, where would you go with this?
Trick-or-treating.
You would go trick-or-treating with all them kids outside looking at you some kind of way?
Excuse me. I can still be the Miss Parker of the neighborhood and look, you know.
Hi, Miss Parker.
Hi, boy.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I would have to give it an 8.
How is Jessica Rabbit an 8, but this Arabian Princess is an 8?
Okay, no.
I'm not getting closer to a 10.
No, you were 8.4 with Jessica Rabbit. Almost there. But now you were 8 because you regressed on the skin.
How?
You're not showing as much sexy. Now you got the bra on there.
My entire midriff is out. If I take this little jacket off, it's just...
But your makeup look good. That's been consistent on every outfit you put on. You would wear this trick-or-treating? You want to go to no party with this?
I mean, I never really go to like Halloween parties on Halloween because I be out on trick-or-treating. Miss J Rabbit love the kids.
Okay.
I love kids.
Do y'all agree with my 8.0? Like, she regressed a little bit? Because if you do agree, just go ahead and comment and say I agree, okay? And I'm going to see them comments because, okay, yeah, all right. See, go put on your next outfit.
This is the last one, and I better get a freaking 10.
We're going to see.
I better get a 10.
We're going to see. All right, y'all. She said this is the last one, the best one. Save the best for last. So if this ain't no at least a 9.99, then no, we ain't really messing with. I'm gonna send her right back. She said this the best one, but I don't know. We're gonna see, y'all.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, let's go. This better be the best one.
You better give me a 10.
You better have something that's 10 worthy. I'm not looking until she comes into the screen.
Better give me a 10 for I arrest your ass.
Okay, all right, okay. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that's a good one. That's the one.
That's Miss Officer to you, sir.
That's the one. And let me tell you why this is. I'm gonna give you a 9.
A 9?
0.99.
Oh, Jesus.
And here's the reason why I'm giving you a 9.99, not a 10. Because nobody's perfect, okay? And that's.
I should beat you with this Billy Club.
Nah, let me tell you why she gets a 9.99.
What is wrong with this one? This is sex, and I am covered up, and this is sex.
She's not showing no skin, but she got it so tight, you know what I mean? That is accentuating all the voluptuousness of her. And she got the feistiness, like she wants to be in charge, but then she gonna turn around and let you dominate, you know what I mean? I don't know. I really don't think you got these outfits for Halloween though.
You know what? Why you all in my business though?
I just feel like you should
mind the business that pays you, which is right now rating and picking my costume.
I just feel like you should come forward with what is really actually going on right now, because she trying to make it seem like she just got this for Halloween, but really she ain't really get it for Halloween. She got it from.
I want to know why I can't get a 10.
Okay, you can't get a 10 because nothing is perfect. Okay, but you look good though. If
you like it?
It's alright.
Wanna play cops and robbers later?
Mm-hmm. Don't be insinuating none of these people.
I'm not insinuating nothing. I was asking a question. Did you want to play cops and robbers later? I need to practice. I need to get into character.
Alright, that's cool.
Okay, so clearly I didn't get a 10 in the whole bunch.
Yeah.
But which one do you pick for my Halloween costume? Now, what we're doing is Jamal is gonna pick, but I'm also gonna be posting this on my community page with a list of all of them, and y'all are gonna pick too. We're gonna see if y'all on the same page as this crazy person.
I would say if it came down to 2, it would be between.
I need one. You have to pick my Halloween costume.
Okay, well between this one and the Roger Rabbit, J Rabbit outfit. So I would probably. Where are we going though? Like, what's the occasion?
What you mean?
Like,
it would either be trick or treating with the kids, like like me passing out candy. They open the door, police lady, or they open the door, Jessica Rabbit.
So trick or treating,
or a Halloween party. It don't matter.
See, I feel like
the costume is the costume.
Okay, so if we go into a party, a Halloween party, we definitely going with the J Rabbit. Okay. I like the J Rabbit as number 1. But if we just go on trick or treating.
Trick or treating for the kids, this one.
Yeah, I have to go with that one. Cause I gotta show you off a little bit, but I can't be like, oh well, she's doing too much. It's just, yeah, I like that one. People wouldn't know if you was a real officer or not. Actually, they probably would know you're not a real officer, because most police officers don't look that good. So they would be like, yeah. So.
Thank you. Okay, but you still have to pick one. If you had to pick one. One. I need you to pick one. I need you to pick my Halloween costume. Which one could be at a party and trick or treating for the kids?
I have to go with this one. Yeah, that's one.
I saved the best for last. I told y'all I saved the best for last. Am I real good?
I like it, y'all. I hope y'all.
That's my little gun.
Yeah, pow, pow, pow.
Pow, pow.
It's a chopper.
Pow, pow. Pow, pow, you know what I'm saying? Real thug life, hashtag thug life, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my Lord. Girl, if you don't put some regular clothes on.
What?
You see?
Alright guys, well that is my Halloween costume. Jamal rated it. I still didn't get a 10.
She ain't getting no
9.999, whatever you thought shady is.
For this one, yeah.
So those are my costumes. I'm gonna put it in the community page so you guys can vote too. Also in the comment box, description box, let me know what you guys think about these costumes. And let me know if you want me to bring this guy back for another Rate My.
Yay!
Cause y'all see how shady he is.
Yay! I'm not shady, I'm honest.
Anyways guys, we out. Bye.
Bye.